A Maytown man died after an accident at a motorcycle competition Sunday in Ohio. Todd D. Libhart, 44, died after the motorcycle he was riding flipped over and landed on top of him during the 65th annual Devil's Staircase Pro Hillclimb in Oregonia. In the sport of hill climbing, riders compete against the clock to complete a steep uphill course. Libhart was walking around after the 4 p.m. accident, but decided to seek medical attention, the paper reported. Paramedics transported him to Bethesda North Hospital in Cincinnati, but he had some medical complications during the ride, a sheriff's office official told the newspaper. He later was pronounced dead at the hospital. Officials estimated the cycle he was riding weighed about 1,000 pounds. Libhart's death Sunday was the second time in 3 years a professional motorcycle rider died competing in the event.